Falkirk parkrun this morning. Yeah, don't know much about this one. Let's see what it's like. Quite a big parkrun, a big car park at this one. So plenty of space for parking. I did see buses go past. It is only half a mile from the town centre, and there is a train station. So presumably you could get yourself into Edinburgh Waverley or Glasgow Central when it reopens and catch yourself a train across. Couldn't tell you how long that might take though. Oh, I beg your pardon, town centre says 1/3 of a mile. Not a half a mile. So even closer. Assuming the train station's in the centre anyway. Hero to hero running. Looks like there's a public convenience over there. I can't see if it's open or not. Dog wash. There's a dog wash as well if you bring your dog and your dog gets dirty. It wasn't toilets, it was something else. It is a dog wash though. Looks like a little bit of a trek to to start the parkrun itself from the car park. So allow yourselves a few minutes. It says it's an active travel hub. I do believe there's a cafe on site somewhere. So presumably toilets there. Hold on. And if you cycle and you've got problems with your bicycle, there's one of those funny tool things that you can use. It's popping up all over the place. Don't see if you can quite see the house over there, but that's where the start. Oh, that's where the start is. Coffee and cakes open, and public toilets. Public toilets for your convenience. So the parkrun is held at Callendar Park in Falkirk, not at the Kelpies. If you look at my Kelpies video, either before or after this one, then you can see what the Kelpies is like. But there's no parkrun there. And there's a badge over there, and there's the lovely Callendar house. Looking very grand.
And we are no metrics this time, I'm afraid, because I got the camera settings slightly wrong and I can't get them to sync up, so no dashboard.
Have a good one.
Thank you, Marshall. One kilometre.
A very long, very gradual slope. It seems to go on forever and ever and ever. But you do eventually get to the top, as we'll see in just a little while. Lovely little spaniel just down here on the right. What's not to love? a little spaniel going round and round and going like a demented lunatic, as little spaniels do.
Thank you, Marshall.
He's still not quite at the top of this hill yet. We made it! I think that's it, the top of the hill. It's a very long hill. Trying to overtake this lady, but she wouldn't let me, so I fall back in a little while. Hats off to her though, she does manage to stay in front of me, I think, for the rest of it. Actually, I think she overtakes me again in a little while. We'll keep a lookout. There she goes. If she did overtake me, that is. I think she stays in front of me the rest of the way now.
Two kilometres.
Nope, overtaken her again. Let's see when she overtakes me next. Can't keep up with these people in front though. Starting to head downhill now. We do have to come back up again in a little while. All along this course though.
Thank you, Marshals.
You're welcome, pleasure. Thank you.
There she goes. And the lady with the dog. Well done, doggy.
Thank you, Marshals. Three kilometres. Thank you, Marshall.
This is what they call the start of what they call Heartbreak Hill, and it's definitely a heartbreaking hill. Had to walk the majority of it, but now I'm coming off the back of the Kelpie's 5k the night before.
Thank you, Marshall. 4 kilometres. Thank you, Marshall. Here we go. Falkirk parkrun completed. I had 4 par with the camera, I put it on slow motion so it ran out of battery. So we might just have to be a voiceover one. Not quite sure how we're going to handle that one. I'll try and speed it up a little bit. You get my squeaking by very slow motion voice for the 1k markers when I call them out. Oh dear. Joys of modern day technology, eh? So a beautiful park now, but it's gorgeous in the summer. It's quite gorgeous here in the winter, in the middle of March, but in the summer, beautiful. It's probably one of the main things I don't like about these DJI cameras. It's very easy to just touch the screen as you're and getting it all in a pickle, or getting yourself all in a pickle because you're not so good with the technology like me, not the DJI technology anyway. You just see Callendar House there in the background, and pretty much a standard parkrun finish. So that's Falkirk parkrun. A little bit of a different format for me probably because of virtue of the way I've managed to film it. We'll see how that comes out. You might have to listen to me doing a voice over. Not tried one before, that'll be new. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.